Rabana ya kare kiyaye ka injiniya na kofar marke Haji Mustapha mai hannun kyauta jarumi na wani ba kai ba. Ni na asa da na hada wuruliya yau zani rera waka shiryayya zani waƙi sadauki dan girma Haji Mustapha gandu shagaya na alubakaki bajimin zaki na Ahmad Ali karin jaya ga jarumin maza na mijin gaske shirin ka bai kama da na yara ba. Rabana ya kare kiyaye ka injiniya na kofar marke Haji Mustapha mai hannun kyauta jarumi na wani ba kai ba. Haji Mustapha mai hannun kyauta ka kara gode Allah mai girma domin kwa yayi matarin baiwa ya ɗaukaka ka ga buɗiye ma kana ta gode Allah ko yaushe gashi ilahu na daɗa ƙara ma wanda du yake gode Allah har abada ba zai taɗewa ba. Rabana ya kare kiyaye ka injiniya na kofar marke Haji Mustapha mai hannun kyauta jarumi na wani ba kai ba. Sama irin sa babbar sa'a ne garin mu Sokoto riba ce domin ko na gari na kowa ne yau ko ina halinsa ake zance injiniya da ɗai karimi ne don mai irin hali ne ya dace domin ko bai da hannun yan dambe irin su o'o ban faɗi suna ba. Rabana ya kare kiyaye ka injiniya na kofar marke Haji Mustapha mai hannun kyauta jarumi na wani ba kai ba. Kasan farin wata fitilar kowa mai zamani da ya wuce mai layu miƙe kafar ka don tahin yayi wanda ya ja ka tabbas ya kayu don lokacin ka ne ba mai jama ikin ka yayi ran sai ya sanyu hantsi kake leƙa gidan kowa ba inda naka Mustapha Mohammed, who is here seeking your confirmation to be part of the State Elective Council of the state. The nominee, you can step to the honorable members of this committee.
Distinguished Honorable Speaker, as Chairman of the Committee of the Sokoto State House of Assembly, Distinguished Deputy Speaker, as the Deputy Chairman of this great committee, distinguished Honorable Members, my dear colleagues, special advisors who are here present, other participants watching us at home and here, Assalamu alaikum. It is my pleasure to say that I'm deeply honored and privileged to stand before you today as a commissioner designate nominated by His Excellency Dr. Ahmed Ali, FCNA, for finding me worthy and confident to work with among thousands of Sokoto State indigenes who are very capable. In view of that, may I assure His Excellency Dr. Ahmed Ali, this honorable chamber, and the entire people of Sokoto State that the confidence reposed on me if successfully screened and approved shall never be in vain. Distinguished Honorable Chairman and Honorable Members, my name is Dr. Engineer Mustapha Mohammed Dallatun Wazirin Sokoto. I am a practicing engineer, fellow, a member of various national and international professional bodies, and active in Sokoto State political affairs while committed in prosperity and peace to our state. I am currently the special advisor to the Sokoto State government handling the Department of Rural Electrification, managing director of a group of engineering companies, an industrially experienced mechanical engineer with expertise in the oil and gas industry, gas turbine and operation and maintenance, electricity generation, transmission, and distribution. Honorable Chairman and honorable members, I previously worked with the Nigeria Liquefied Natural Gas (NLNG) for 15 years, managed by Shell International on various capacities. While working with Shell International and Nigeria Liquefied Natural Gas (NLNG), I held various industrial work experience spread across United Kingdom industry. I worked with Weir Engineering in Glasgow, Dresser in Manchester, Turner Diesel in Glasgow, GE General Electric Cabana Energy in Scotland, and also in the Sultanate of Oman in the Middle East. I have my hands-on operation and maintenance of various equipment, centrifugal pump, reciprocating compressor, gas turbine maintenance, name them. After my primary education at Gidan Narba Primary School and secondary education at the Government Secondary Technical School Zuru in 1986, I proceeded to the former Sokoto State Polytechnic, now Birmingham Polytechnic, to obtain OND in mechanical engineering in 1990, together with one of my best friends, who has been an honorable member of this honored chamber, who is currently the minority leader of this chamber, by name Honorable Abubakar Magaji. In 1994, I obtained Higher National Diploma HND in Mechanical Engineering at the Kaduna Polytechnic. I then proceeded to the United Kingdom, where I obtained City and Guild in Petroleum Processing Technology, National Vocational Qualification NVQ Level 2 in Electromechanical Engineering at the Engineering and Marine Training Authority, Aberdeen in Scotland. Currently, I hold Masters in Mechanical Engineering obtained at the Kingston University in London. As a practicing engineer, I have under my shoulders numerous professional qualifications obtained from various United Kingdom institutions of engineering in the oil and gas sector. Professionally, I'm a certified engineer approved by the Council for the Regulation of Engineering in Nigeria. I'm a member of the Institution of Engineering Technology. I'm a member of the British Institution of Facility Maintenance. I'm a professional member of the International Facility Management Association. I'm a member of the American Societies of Mechanical Engineers. I'm a member of the Nigerian Gas Association. I'm a member of the International Association of Engineers. I'm a member here in Nigeria with the Nigerian Societies of Engineers. I'm a fellow of the Institute of Leadership, Manpower, and Management Development. I'm active in Sokoto socio-political affairs and communities well-being through my foundation, the Mustapha Economic Empowerment Foundation, which lends a helping hand to those in need by giving out support to the less privileged for them to improve their life. It is important at this juncture, distinguished honorable chairman and honorable members of this great committee, to inform the House that from 2015 to date, out of my 2,000 plus workforce, 700 were Sokoto State indigenous, which is 35% of my entire force. There is no doubt this is a philanthropic support which I'm always proud of, and I wish other Sokoto State indigenous should emulate so that together we can help solve the problem of unemployment in Sokoto. Due to my active participation in supporting communities affairs by promoting peace and prosperity among Sokoto indigenes, the Wazirin Usmaniya Professor Sampo Wali Junaid, under the Sultanate Council, conferred me with the honorary traditional title of Dallatun Wazirin Sokoto, which is the first Dallatun Wazirin ever to have been conferred to anyone by the Wazirin Sokoto. Again, I was conferred with an international prestigious award as a United Nations Eminent Peace Ambassador under the umbrella of the International Association of World Peace Advocates, which is an umbrella body of the United Nations, as an ambassador for peace. I was awarded with a doctorate degree, PhD honoris causa in leadership and project management by the Institute of Leadership, Manpower and Development as an experienced project and portfolio and operating at international standards. Distinguished Honorable Chairman and Honorable Members, I am aware that my nomination as a Commissioner designate has caused a lot of hope to the teeming youth, elders, especially the women group and the less privileged, because of the hope they see in me, action and performance yet to be performed. The entire people of Waziri A are mostly overwhelmed, as we have never had a commissioner since the inception of democracy in 1999 to date. If confirmed today by the honorable member here present, I will be the first commissioner historically produced by the people of Waziri. So I hope the distinguished honorable members here present will unanimously support the distinguished honorable chairman and speaker in instructing me to take a bow and go.
Nominee before you, and I believe there's so much knowledge in him, and I'm very much sure, I'm certain that the Sokoto test is going to benefit from his vast experience, from his expertise, and at this juncture, I would like to call on the honorable members. Do you have any question for the nominee or honorable? Well, anyone that wants to say something interesting about this, and also that I can identify. I have three, but I will include the first one. I have three, but I'm going to nominate the first one. I will start with Honorable Mustapha Mohammed. This is entire Sokoto affairs. We leave it for Sokoto, but I will go out of Sokoto.
Mr. Chairman, distinguished colleagues, my name is Mustapha Mohammed, member representing Sokoto constituency 1. Mr. Chairman, I would like, on behalf of the people that are representing the constituency, Sokoto constituency 1, I congratulate my brother, Dr. Engineer Mustapha Mohammed. The animation here said everything, especially his foundation, which attracted me a lot because since before he became a politician, I have been hearing from him, I have been seeing what he has been doing to the community. What he says is quite true. He has been supporting the vulnerable persons, especially with disability. Within the metropolis and outside of the state.
Haka da mu don haka da mu don haka da mu don
why I want to seek for permission to congratulate this person is because he was appointed as a special advisor to His Excellency, and he is one of the best social advisor that recognizes this honorable house. Whenever we call upon him to come or invite him to this honorable house, we should respond. So we respect this house. That all that we respect this house, and most of us, we the members of this honorable house, wherever we see him, he do respect us. So that's why I say I commend him for this combination, and also want to ask just simple question or urge him, being an experienced engineer based on education. I know that even if you not be appointed to the electric sector, he may be appointed to either 1 or 2 ministries that he may help his elected governor of Sokoto to analyze. Let's say, for instance, he served as a SE, rural education. I know you have personal experience in education, and just recently definitely to analyze about money. It is some money for rural education, which I know I have the experience about that. So I just want to ask a question. Since we have the experience on this rural education, what will you do to assist His Excellency with Aliyu to ensure that there is full, the electricity in Sokoto State to no cease? There will be no failure electricity supply in Sokoto State, and to ensure that there will be a constant supply of electricity within and outside Sokoto metropolis. That's my question. Thank you very much, and I wish you the best. Congratulations.
Thank you, Honorable Mustapha Honorable Hussaini Yukufaru.
Assalamu alaikum. Mr. Chairman, honorable colleagues, my name is Honorable Hussaini, member representing Sokoto North constituency in the Sokoto House. Mr. Speaker, Mr. Chairman, my honorable colleagues, I've been heard from the nominee, and when you go on, going by the city, you will all agree with me that he has the capacity and ability to hold any office assigned to him as a commissioner. Let me start by congratulating the nominee for a well-deserved nomination by His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Sokoto State, Talata Sokoto. Congratulations. As for me, my honorable colleagues, I wish to pray and call on you to please allow the nominee to take a bow and go.
Mr. Chairman of this committee, my distinguished honorable members of this special committee, my name is Honorable Wazirin Sokoto. I'm member representing Sokoto North 1 constituency in this honorable house, and also I'm the one representing the nominee in this honorable house. Chairman, my distinguished honorable colleagues, let me join my colleagues, Honorable Wazirin Sokoto, to congratulate the nominee to his name appears in the list of the honorable commissioners and members at Sokoto State Executive Council. Mr. Nominee, I am deeply honored to express my strong support to the confirmation and screening on you today, and I have confidence that by Almighty Allah's grace, you will bring the change positively, and I know that you have capacity and ability to act in any office that you call for. So, Mr. Nominee, you are here before the Honorable House, and being I'm a member representing your constituency, we are the same constituency. I am appealing and prayer to the Honorable House to please allow the nominee to take his bow.
Thanks to the nominee.
Mr. Chairman, my honorable colleagues, the members of this honorable committee, my name is Sokoto amatsayin. I represent both of the constituencies in this honorable house. Mr. Chairman, my honorable colleagues, let me just conform with the previous speakers that being a view of the nomination of Engineer Dr. Mustapha Mohammed, let's move it up. And I don't know what we now. And Mr. Speaker, Mr. Chairman of this committee, the nominee before you is one of the constituents by birth. He was born and raised in Tuka village of India, the district of the Sokoto State. And going by his resume, I believe honorable committee members will agree with me. Engineer Mustapha has governance experience and the capacity to serve in any ministry as a commissioner and member of Sokoto State Executive Council. I will say that at least, Mr. Chairman, I can quickly recall I told you, Engineer Mustapha can deliver in any assignment assigned to him, being that I know him as a committed person, hardworking and very diligent. I only want to ask the nominee to carry along with you the vast experience he has obtained at the international level and national level and at zonal level. There are so many issues that he has not raised in the city, which I know. But for one of the important that he brought here to the benefit of Sokoto citizens. Therefore, Mr. Speaker, honorable colleagues, I want to urge
Thank you very much, Honorable Mustapha Mohammed. And I think the prayers put in by Honorable Mustapha Abdullahi and also Wazirin Sokoto and also Wazirin and lastly by Honorable I think it's overriding the earlier question raised by Mustapha Abdullahi. It is only if it is for the interest of the nominee that he wants to respond to that question, but if not to that, I think the nominee, being a member of my constituency by birth, and I don't need to ever put a question. I will just leave it as a perspective of the we need to either answer the question and take a go and go, or take a go and go. Congratulations.
I wish to take him power and go.
You can let me say congratulations to you being confirmed by this honorable house, and also as
makiyansu ya zama tababbe har ma da tabi'ai na sanyo su da auliya ba zan manta ba. Rabana ya kare kiyaye ka injiniya na kofar marke Haji Mustapha mai hannun kyauta jarumi na wani ba kai ba. Mina asa da na hada wuruliya yau zani rera waka shiryayya zani waƙi sadauki dan girma Haji Mustapha gandu shagaya na alubakaki bajimin zaki na Ahmad Ali karin jaya ga jarumin maza na mijin gaske shirin kafa